Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you how to download any video from YouTube without any software needed, okay? Just with YouTube. Let's download this video. I think it's okay. All we need is a link for the video, okay? You just right click on the title and click copy link location, okay? We will paste it here, okay? Now focus please. We wanna add double S letters, okay, before the Y letter, okay. It's easy, okay. Now let's go to this link, okay. I will press here, download without installation. Here is the video with the best quality. Just click download. You have got the video easily in your PC, okay. I hope this video is helpful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. Thanks a lot. Wait us for more, okay. Thanks, bye.